Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a great day and I appreciate you stopping in to see what I am up to. I have my nail shack, hope that's right side up, yes it is, and this is going to be I think the June bag. I have no idea, I received it at the end of the May, so I would assume the June bag. While I take everything out, I'll tell you about DIY nail shack. I always just say nail shack, I should not. Thank you, Deanna, for sending this to me every month. I greatly appreciate it so that I can try these and share these. I do giveaways with them. And I do have quite a few packs saved. So I think next month I'll do the giveaway since I have a few giveaways going on for the month of June. It can be found on Cratejoy. The adult pack is $9.95. Kid pack is $8.75. Your nail shack pack will include 4 full sets of nails, 1 cuticle pusher, 1 nail file, plus she always sends an information sheet. So if you have any questions or concerns, you can just find her on her socials and ask. Ships worldwide from the U.S. Enjoy salon quality nails at home. New designs each month. No drying time. Easy application. On her Instagram for DIY Nail Shack. If you go on and you're scrolling through and you like a few of the sets that she has, she will do her best to include them in your pack. Now, I have a few saved up here for a giveaway, but like I said, I'm going to do the giveaway in July, I do believe. And this is what you see inside your bag, always in a nice little outer bag, which I save these because I do save them for the giveaway. Yep, it's all inside here. Here's your cuticle pusher and your cute nail file, plain and glittery. So I always save those and give them away. I don't use those. And then this is the sheet that I was telling you about. It's in every package. And I include it in my giveaways so that you guys, I'll make sure it's right side up, can see all this. I don't need it. I can always find it. I actually have one for myself. So I always save this and include it in the baggie so that, like I said, you guys can find her if you need her. So let's look at the sets this month. This is interesting. Cute. Like flowers and solids. Adorable. Definitely very spring summery. This one I wouldn't consider spring summer. This is more, I would think, like fall design. It looks like leaves to me with the like a brown. Still cute. I mean, if you don't mind. Oh, look at these. I love pink. So this is the different, these are the ones that I must have liked on her Instagram. And then these are adorable for, and I would never do them on all 10, but as an accent. Look how cute. See, these are simple enough that you could do it on 10. Sometimes when it's too much, I can't handle that. Like, I could never do all 10 of like that design or of this design, but there's plenty of simple plain ones here. These are adorable this month. The flower ones. The only ones that I'm not crazy about are the leafy style ones because I don't think they're very summery. But you can always put them up and save them. Fall will be here before you know it. It's already June. Like, it was just January. But the rest, the other sets are definitely, these 3 sets here are definitely wear now. Right? And I would save that one. Or, yeah, I would probably save it. I don't think I would put that on now. But I still love this. I think it's a great package. I'm looking for alternatives to painting my nails all the time. I was like looking at some other, ones like there's Nail Boo where it's the dip and it's not gel, it's actually polish. So you can just take it off with regular nail polish. Like, I don't want to get into necessarily the gel. I mean, I would try it. I don't think I've ever tried gel. But then you need the curing light and all that stuff, which I don't have. And just anything I'm tired of spending an hour or two doing my nails. And then, I mean, granted, they last for 3 weeks, but it's still, if I can spend 10 minutes every couple weeks, I'd rather spend 10 minutes than 2 hours. So tell me what you think of Nail Shack. Like I said, I think this is a great bag for the price for $10 a month to get. And you can share that with your daughter or a friend, your mom, and sit and have, your cocktail of choice or your beverage of choice and sit down and have a little girls' day or night and settle in and spend some quality time together. I think that would be nice as things are starting to open up and people are starting to, you know, gather a little bit and get together. So, and you can do it outside on a nice day, you know, sitting on a back patio under, you know, an umbrella, and sit there and do your nails and talk. And this way, if you feel safe, you can still be distanced and all that good stuff. This is a great one for sure. I appreciate all of you. I hope you're all having a great day and starting to get into some nice weather where you live and enjoy it. And I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.